Hello guys, so this is going to be a quick video of how to set up the candle trader strategy on the Shreya framework. I noticed that on the previous video I did, I was doing more of explanation and how the strategy works and the idea behind the strategy. And I didn't really focus on how to install the Shreya robot. So let's say you have a fresh installation. It's basically an exe file, but I'm just going to be loading this up from the code directly on my IDE here. Let's just give this a moment to quickly load up. Alright, so this is what the application looks like once it loaded up, and also once you launch the exe file that you download, this is also what is going to load up as well. Now take notes here, the version is version 2.0 and this current version is available on Trading Kingdom for just $249 only, and it's different from the version 1.2, although the strategy for the version 1.2 on Euro USD is roughly the same here, but the GBP/USD strategy was optimized for that to reduce the amount of trades. Okay, so I'm not just going to talk much. Let's look at how to install the system. So once you've loaded up the exe file, you're going to have the profit target here, the maximum risk here, and the filling mode here. Now for the profit target, let's say you have a $10,000 account and you want your profit target to be 10%. Let's say you're trading on the prop firm and you want to automatically close all trades and stop trading once you get to a 10% profit target. You can add your profit target here. You could reduce this to 5% or whatever. And maximum risk, how much is the maximum risk you want to risk for your account? This is going to help protect your account on the downside. So let's say you have a $10,000 account and you want, maybe when you've lost about 2% of your account, you automatically want to close all trades, all right, and stop trading for that period of time. You have a maximum reset here, and we also have the filling mode here. The filling mode here can change from 1 to 3. Okay, sorry, 0 to 2 rather, so 0, 1, 2. Now several brokers has several kinds of filling mode that they support for different currencies. So we have the Euro USD here and the GBP USD here. So whichever filling mode your broker supports, you can have that. For us, broker supports 0 as a filling mode here. Now for Euro USD symbol here, you can add the symbol that your broker offers for Euro USD. Okay, in this case here, mine is Euro USDX. If I bring up my terminal here and click on view and click on markets watch, you can see I can trade Euro USDX here. So I have X as the suffix, so I can add that here and add that here as well. So the lot size, you're gonna have to select the lot size for Euro USD or GBP USD. For me, I'm using a lot size of 2 on Euro USD and I am not trading on GBP USD, so I set that to off here. Okay, and the last thing here we have is the path for MT5. On the version 1.2, you're not going to have this. It's just going to randomly select the terminal that is available to on your PC. It's going to connect to your stats, getting data and doing all the necessary things using that particular terminal. But here you can select the terminal where you want the expert advisor to trade on. So in this case here, you're just going to right click on your terminal icon, then right click on the icon and click on properties, and then you can have this target here. So you can just copy this target and paste it here, and then remove the quotes here, and then you click on update settings. Okay, so now once you click on update settings, it says settings updated successfully. Now if you head back to your home and give it a moment, let's just give it about 5 seconds thereabouts. Alright, so you can see that it's now connected and it says the account balance is 13,568. Okay, so if you view this here, click on view, click on the toolbox here, you can see it says 13,568. So that's actually connected to this terminal here, and you can see the history here. This is also going to load up too, and then you can also now backtest the expert advisor to look at the performance here from 2013. Initial backtest is from 2013 down to 2023, and if you want to backtest further than that, you can actually backtest that. Okay, you can also view the statistics too, and then you can click on the settings here and click on the chart here. Okay, let's open the chart here as well. You can view the trades here. So let's view how this is actually working on my VPS. Now remember, this one here is the candle strategy 2. Alright, we have the candle strategy 1 currently trading on my VPS. Let me just head over to my VPS and show this to you guys. Right, so this is my VPS, and this is the candle strategy 2.0. This is actually 2.0, but it's trading using the candle strategy 1. Okay, so if you view the charts here, you can see we just recently had a buy position here. Not entirely recently. Let me just click on this on Euro USD and view this here. So you can see there are trades for Euro USD. We had a sell position here. This was actually, with profit. If I open my MT5 and show you, you can see we had a sell position here and closed, a sell position here and closed here. At the close of this candle, at the open of this one. So you can see the strategy has really been profitable. If you want to view the definition of how the strategy works, it's just basically candle prediction. It tries to predict the next candle using information from the previous candle. So you can see here in this case, it predicted a bullish candle here, but that turned out to be a bearish candle. Here it predicted a bullish candle. It was correct here. It was correct here. It was correct here, and also it has previously corrected. So if you view the historical performance of this strategy here, you can see that it has been very profitable for Euro USD. Okay, and that's why I just enabled to trade on just Euro USD. And it's not just about the profitability, guys. Every time this is blue here, the prediction has been correct. So if you look at the prediction ratio or the hit ratio, you can see that this is actually very high, and there's also been high for the major part of 2023. You can see this is the back test of Euro USD for 2023. So this strategy, I'm going to be dropping a link to download this strategy on tradinggear.com. Feel free to use it and give us a review at tradinggear.com. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.